Hi, I'm Joe, the president of FlexScreen. Our team can't wait to meet up with so many of you next week at GlassBuild. We absolutely love showing off the technology that has made FlexScreen the most innovative product in the window and door industry. But what we are really excited about is the upcoming launch of our Certified Reseller and Associate program that will debut at the show. This is going to be an amazing way for remodelers, property managers, window cleaners, painters, and even friends and relatives to make some extra income while solving a problem that every homeowner has. If you are not going to be at the show, please take a minute and fill out the form that opens when you click on the link below. We will put you at the top of the list and send you all of the program details when they are announced. Thank you for all of your support, and we look forward to having you as part of the FlexScreen family.